Hi, in this video I will show you how you can track GoHighLevel form with Google Tag Manager, and after submitting the form how you can send that event to Google Analytics 4. So here this is the form, and if we click on this button you can see the form here. And to identify this, if it's a GoHighLevel form, just right click on the form and click on the inspect, and in the element you can see there is a GHL form wrap. So it is this form is built with GoHighLevel. So to track this form, at first you need to integrate your Google Tag Manager with your website. That's the first step. And second step, you need a JavaScript listener code. So that means whenever this form is submitted, this listener code will listen if a form is submitted or not. Then it will grab all the data, username, email, phone number, and all the field data, and push an event with all the data into the data layer. So I have created a listener code, Google GoHighLevel form submission listener code, and it will successfully listens whenever form is submitted. So let's check it out. This is pause. Let's enable it, and let's preview it again, and let's submit the form and check if what happened after submitting the form. So it will grab all the form data and an event in the thank you page. So this is our page, and click on it. This is the form, and fill it up, fill the form. Let's click on the this button, and it will redirect us to a thank you page. So this is the thank you page, and let's here you can see this is the thank you page, and our listener code has fired successfully here in the container loaded, and then it listens that form has successfully submitted, and it pushed an event that is called GHL form submitted. If we expand that, we get all the user data, field data, form field data, full name, email, phone, and the website, and the event name. So in this video I will show how you can send an event from submission event to GA4, but will not use this user data because we cannot send any user data to GA4. So to send this form submission event to GA4, at first you need to create a trigger with this event, and then we will create a tag in the GTM. So let's grab this event name, copy it, and go back to your Google Tag Manager, and in the trigger section. Okay, let's create a trigger. Let's click on the new, click on the tag trigger configuration, scroll down and select custom event. So in the event name, just paste the event you copied, save it. Let's give it this way, trigger, to make it more identifiable. Okay, now our trigger has we created our trigger. Let's create our tags, event tags. So go to your tag section, and at first to send any event to GA4, at first you need to create Google tag, GA4 Google tag. That's mandatory to send any event to GA4. So to create our main event from submission event, we need to create first a Google tag. So to create it, just click on new tag configuration and go to your the Google Analytics section, and instead of selecting GA4 event, you need to first select Google tag. In the tag ID section, in the tag ID field, you need to put your measurement ID, GA4 measurement ID, where you want to send your event. So this is our GA4 of this website, and to grab the measurement ID, just click on the admin and go to your data stream under data collection and modification, and click on it again, and you will get your measurement ID here. Just copy it, click on it, copy it, and go back to your Google Tag Manager, and in the Google Tag just paste your copied measurement ID and save it and give it any name. But I will not do that because I have already created it here. You can see the GA4 Google tag and fire it in initialization of page. Okay, now this is the first step, and in the final step I will create our main GA4 event tag. So to create that, just click on new tag configuration, go to your Google Analytics 4 section and select this GA4 event tag. In the measurement ID, you just repeat this, put your measurement ID here, and in the event name you can give any name you like. Okay, so but maintain that your event name is all small letters and there is no space. Okay, so to make it simple, just I will copy this event name and give it here. Okay, so event instead of space I just used underscore. So you can also send any additional information as event parameters. So in the data layer we don't have any additional information except user data, but we cannot send any user data to GA4, so that's why we will not use this. But you can use this user data to any ad platform like Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads for enhanced conversion tracking, and it will definitely make your tracking more better. I mean far better for enhance for better accuracy and ad performance. So definitely do that. But in this case, since we are sending event to GA4, we will not use any user data. That to make you need to remember that we cannot send any user data to GA4. So let's get back to our tag. So we don't have any additional event parameters, so we'll find it, we'll trigger it. Let's click on the trigger and select the trigger we created. You can see the GHL trigger. Now give it a name, save it, and give it any name you like. Okay, so let's give it a name here, save it. So our work is done in the Google Tag Manager. Now we'll preview it again and save and submit the form, GoHighLevel form, and we'll check if our tag is fired successfully and our event has passed to GA4 or not. Okay, so to check if our event is passed to GA4 or not, we need to go to our analytics account and go to debug view. So give a debug view section. So to go there, just click on the admin, scroll down under the data display, select debug view. Okay, here you will see all your event. So let's go back to our Google Tag Manager again, preview the Tag Manager, and let's fill out the form. We are in the website form page, and let's click on the button here, and our form has appeared. Let's fill up the everything. Because of the cookie, our form already fill up with this data. Let's submit this form. So we are redirected to the thank you page, and let's go to our preview section. You can see in the container loaded, our GoHighLevel form submission listener code has fired successfully, and it has successfully listened if our form has submitted or not, because you can see our event has come here, GHL form submitted, and in this event our tag GA4 event tag has fired successfully. You can see this is fired successfully, and we got all the data here. Now let's go back to our Google Analytics and see if our event has come successfully here. Okay, you can see our GHL form submit event here. It has come here successfully. So so that means our form submission tracking Google GoHighLevel form submission tracking is successful. You can track this way to any ad platform, Google Ads, any Facebook ads or TikTok ads with all the user data. So I'll show you in another video how to do that. But for this video, this is all. I hope it will be helpful for you. And if you need any help to tracking related, just contact me in the link in the description. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.